Alrighty, baby. The purpose of this video is I'm about to just try to get myself hype, right? A message to myself, Suleiman the Don, just getting you hype and just amping you up. Like, you know what I'm saying? You're the friend and you're doing really great, okay? Hey, what's up, dog? Hey, how you doing, man? How you doing? Hey, shoot. I see you, dog. Looking good, man. Looking good. Would you got the whole tracksuit on, like with the Adidas? You know what I'm saying? Hey, okay. Yo, it's kind of baggy. Like you been working out and shit. Oh, snap. Okay. What kind of meals you on, dog? Cause like I know you pushing 40, but like, hey, you looking like at least late 20s. You know what I'm saying? At the most, I feel. You know, like wow, that's what's up. That's what's up. You been changing that diet? Oh, just Filipino foods? I know you probably eating out, though. Not even that much. Oh, you just had In-N-Out the other day. Brother, keep doing your thing. Keep doing your thing. And with the daylight savings time, you know what I'm saying? It look like you been well rested. I ain't gonna lie. You look well rested, bro. Keep doing your thing. Like, wow. Hey, multiple dabs, multiple slaps. And I've been seeing you on the YouTube, too. Like, man, your videos be making me laugh. Like, I just be at work typing away and stuff. I just put a little the Don Sully on, and I'm just like, man, this what's up. A little commentary on the culture and everything. Hey, keep doing your thing. Keep pushing them out. Especially when you be talking about the relationship stuff. Go a little bit more into that, bro. Because, like, I need that. I need somebody else to just see what I'm in and just be like, oh, my gosh. Like, I can relate. I'm not alone. So keep doing that, dog. Like, I see you, man. You doing your thing. Hey, and you a parent, too. Keep parenting, doing your thing, dog, because I know them kids, like, every video you have, it's like, yeah, man, great dad. And relationship-wise, too, keep pushing, man. Keep pushing, because, I just appreciate the wisdom, man. Appreciate the wisdom. Appreciate the transparency as well, you know what I'm saying? You do a good job, but not doing too much, because I be seeing some other YouTubers, and they put too much of the drama of the mama, baby type of situation. And you ain't doing that, dog. Like, keep doing your thing, man. Like, hey, nice seeing you, man. God bless. And, hey, much love. Peace out. Okay, that was the message to myself, trying to hype myself up. I'm going to run it back, and I'm going to keep doing this because, you know, got to hype yourself up. Something that I'm trying to work on, you know, just personally. And just want to share that with y'all. So hopefully it can get y'all hype, and you know what I'm saying, you can feel a little pep in your step too, because you know what I'm saying, sometimes, dog, don't you be feeling like sick and tired of being sick and tired? Like, don't you be feeling that? You know what I'm saying? So it's nice to get a little pick me up. You know what I'm saying? So that's all I'm doing, dog. I'm just trying to give you a little pickup. You know what I'm saying? Or if you're a lady, like, girl, just keep doing your thing. Keep boosting your thing. Keep doing it. That's all the brother's trying to do. You know what I'm saying? So like that like button, or hit the like button, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Hit that ish, right? And subscribe to your boy, because there's more in store. And what are we at? Like 172 deep? You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm humble with it, but you know what I'm saying? We coming up, baby. So I appreciate y'all watching. Much love and peace out.